My name is Amy Wilds, and I am a Folds of Honor recipient. In 2020, I was a senior in high school, and we unfortunately lost my dad, who served bravely in the United States Navy during the Vietnam War. And it's through foundations like Folds of Honor that have given me and my family a sense of hope that I've been able to achieve the higher education that my dad so badly wanted for us.
So Folds of Honor was established in 2007, and its prime purpose was to provide educational scholarships to the families of fallen or injured military personnel. In the past couple of years, we've expanded that to first responders. When we talk about the impact that Schnucks and Folds of Honor have been able to make over the past 7 years, we're talking over $5.3 million donated by Schnucks and their teammates and their customers. And that equates to over 1,000 scholarships that stayed right here in Missouri and Illinois.
So as a teammate, I would tell you I'm extremely proud to be part of this, because I didn't only walk the walk in the military, I'm able to walk the walk here back home. And we take it very serious to try to raise as much money as we possibly can, just so that everyone who walks through this front door understands that we are extremely proud of the country that we live in and the community that we serve.
The fact that the teammates ask that small question of, do you want to round up for Folds of Honor? And then the customer says yes, really makes a difference in the lives of families of first responders and of the military.
Achieving an education and getting support financially so that we have one less thing to worry about is something that I will forever be grateful for. Thank you, Schnucks, so much for this opportunity, and thank you again to Folds of Honor.